Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, borei pri hagafen. Blessed are you, Adonai our God, Spirit of the universe, for creating the fruit of the vine. Praised are you, Adonai, source of life, whose mitzvot, whose commandments add holiness to our lives, and whose wisdom guides the partnership of this loving couple. Blessed are you who sanctifies all creation and unites them here under this chuppah with these sacred rites of marriage.
Hi, Emma. What I admire most about you is your insightfulness. You understand people, and you remember details about them way better than I do. You know what you want, you're trendy, and you're fun.
Live life with radical amazement. Wake up each morning and seek out that unique spirit that permeates all things. And when you do this, the routine becomes remarkable and the everyday extraordinary. Today is extraordinary, so there's no doubt about that. Sorry.
I knew Emma was the one when they lasted those 2 years, and then Cameron went back. They moved in together. They bought a house together. They got a cat together. And they got a car together. And now they finally got married.
No more crisis.
We get to enjoy so much of life's greatest experiences because we have each other. With you, I have someone to go to new restaurants with. I have someone to travel with on a long weekend. We get to see the world because we have each other.
Cameron, I'm so happy we made it here, about to get married in front of all our friends and family. When we met almost 12 years ago, it was right after spring break of our freshman year. We were both going back home for the summer, me to New York, you to LA, so I honestly wasn't sure about our future. I remember the day we said goodbye to each other. We got ice cream from the now closed Coney Island, and at the end of the night, I hailed a cab because there was no Uber to American University.
You look so beautiful, Emma. That's wonderful. All right. Okay, I don't want to. My little girl. great. You look great. Beautiful. How is it? You like it? How's your emotions? Are you nervous? You're good. All right. Very good, sweetheart.
Hi. Is it?
Yeah, a little
That's
bit.
okay. You look really nice.
I do.
I love your dress. Can I see it? Yeah. Oh, I love it. That's really pretty. You look really, really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love your confidence in everything you do. I envy that you could just walk into a room and talk to anyone with ease. Every time I say I can't do something or I'm scared, you confidently and honestly say that I can do anything and completely believe in me. You make me stronger, you make me braver, you make me better.
Cause I like in your love, baby. I feel we're close enough. I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei pri hagafen.
We've had a really long journey. We met when we were 19 years old. I've lived in LA, London, and Santa Cruz, but in all those places, I really just wanted to be somewhere with you. And now I'll get to be forever, and I love you.
And you'll look at each other, and those butterflies that are with you today, they will come flying back. And you will feel that special sense, that tingling that you've got right now because of your love. And you don't know when that's going to happen, because it just will.
Emma is the baby of our family and the only girl. So you might imagine that we are about to tell you how when we were growing up, all we ever did was think about her and give her her own way and always let her win.
You'd be wrong. The truth is, when we were growing up, it was more of a survival of the fittest. And if Emma was expected for us to go easy on her just because she was the baby of the family, well, too bad.
So you guys, I wish for you the best, B-E-S-T, that you are better together, that you edify each other, that you share everything together, and that you trust each other.
From the two brothers who never let you win at anything, we just wanted to say that you've always been number one, and we wish you and Cam all of the best. Cheers.
Cheers.
Be a team.
Celebrate your achievements.
Keep the romance alive.
Handle conflicts constructively.
Foster emotional and physical intimacy. But we just want to say, above all else, laugh together.